Model, 66-plate Ford Transit 350L3 Mark 8 rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H2 van Euro 6 ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs partying face bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 189,501. MOT, 29 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: we have got the engine started. Sounds fine. Cowboy hat face wiring loom will need replacing as electric cables have been removed and are in the back of the van. Have got it started to check engine all seems as it should. Worth getting this back on the road. Will definitely need complete new engine wiring loom, unless you are very good at electrics. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior